Ever wondered how dark blue denim becomes that bright, faded look? The transformation begins inside a specialized denim washing factory. Before washing begins, every pair is inspected to make sure the garment is ready for the chemical and mechanical treatment ahead. The jeans are then sorted into batches according to fabric type, shade, weight, and the final appearance required by the production order. Accurate weighing is critical because the washing recipe is calculated according to the total garment weight. Next, the denim is loaded into a powerful industrial washing machine designed to handle hundreds of garments at once. Technicians program the cycle carefully, controlling time, temperature, water level, and mechanical action. Water enters the drum, and the jeans begin tumbling continuously to create an even treatment across the fabric. Now comes the key stage, a carefully controlled bleaching treatment, prepared and dosed according to the factory's approved recipe. The treatment is introduced gradually, so the bleaching effect develops consistently throughout the entire batch. As the jeans tumble, the indigo color is progressively reduced, creating the characteristic washed and faded denim appearance. The intensity of the final shade depends on carefully controlled processing time and the targeted wash recipe. Technicians monitor the shade closely, comparing the garments with approved color standards during production. Once the desired shade is reached, the treatment cycle ends, and the used process water is drained through the factory's treatment system. After bleaching, the jeans are extracted to remove excess water before the next finishing stage. The damp jeans are then transferred to a dryer, where controlled heat and tumbling help develop the final hand feel and appearance. Inside the dryer, mechanical movement helps soften the denim while giving the fabric its characteristic washed texture. After drying, every pair undergoes quality inspection for shade consistency, stains, damage, stitching defects, and overall appearance. From deep indigo to a distinctive faded blue, the difference reveals the power of controlled denim washing. Approved jeans are folded, labeled, packed, and prepared for shipment to retailers and fashion brands around the world. And that's how ordinary indigo denim becomes the faded jeans we see in fashion stores, through precision, controlled chemistry, and industrial craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.